My name is Caleb from Matan, and today we'll be showing us how to do weekly email reminders. For small businesses that can afford to pay for subscriptions for other platforms to help them email clients weekly, here's a cheap hack for you to do it with Google Sheets. Then I'm going to show you a code. I'm going to give you the code to use. So at the end of the day, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to send an email quick reminder about services. Hello, John Kennedy. We just wanted to remind you about our available products and services. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time to get started and enjoy the benefit. Feel free to reply if you need some more information. Best regards, Matan Data Solutions. So, people like to send messages like this, but it takes them time, and then when they try to subscribe on platforms, sometimes they don't understand what they're doing, or sometimes they just don't want to pay money, right? So what we can do is we can automate it on Google Sheets. So just follow my steps carefully. So created the headers already: name, email, status, and last sent. So the name is going to contain the name of the person you want to send to, then the email of the client you want to send to as well. Then this status is we're gonna write not subscribed on status. Give me a minute. I'm gonna show you in a bit. So we're gonna write not subscribed on status, so that we can inform the status that this person has not subscribed. And when we're running our emails weekly, it will only send to this person because not subscribed is on that status of this person, right? So last sent is going to contain the date it was sent, right? The last time the email was sent to the person. So for every time this runs weekly, you see the indicator there that it was last sent on this date, and that way you are able to monitor the progress and know when the person last got the email. So fill this up already. So we're gonna be having John Kennedy. His email is this, and the status is not subscribed, right? Like I said, it should not be empty. It is either subscribed or not subscribed. All right. So so we have about, okay, so not subscribed. Now I want to show something. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to extensions, you go over to AppScript. Then I wrote a code where we can all use. Here's a code. So you're going to copy everything here, then you're going to paste it here. All right, delete whatever you see there, whatever function you see there, just paste it there, and everything is going to work out fine. So after you do that, you go over to your triggers. I didn't set a trigger just now. I wanted to test run what I want to teach. So you go over to your triggers. I'm going to delete this now, so just to do it again. So you click on add trigger, then you don't touch this because it's already in the code, which is set the name of the function, send weekly client reminders. So choose which deployment you want to run. Of course, the head is already there. So select event source, say time driven. That's to be time driven. Remember, it's weekly. We want to send these emails, right? So choose weekly, week timer. All right. So let's say every Monday, but today is Tuesday where I am. So I'm going to say every Tuesday, or you can say every Monday. I'm just going to run it manually just so we can see. Every Monday, what time of the day on Monday? Let's say as early as, let's say 10 a.m. People should be up by then, right? You click on save. When you click on save, it's going to ask for, okay, normally it would ask for permission and all of that, but I've skipped all that step because it might reveal some personal details which I didn't want to share. So after that happens, you're just gonna name your project weekly email reminder. So and then once you do that, you save. No, not like this. It has already saved. So you go back to your, okay. Now I'm just gonna run it now because I want us to see the outcome quickly. So I'm gonna click on run, but normally you don't have to click run since you've already set it on the trigger. You just wait for it to hit the date you choose, right? But just for this tutorial, I'm clicking run. So when I click run, it's gonna show something. So it says execution started, execution completed. So when we go over to Okay, let's go over to this email. So here is it here. So quick reminder about services. So it's about 10:59 p.m. where I am. No, I'm using Ukraine time zone. I work with a Ukraine company, so it's about 9:59 p.m. wherever I am. So that's why I see it here. So you click on this, it's gonna show from my email, from my company's email, Matter Data Solutions. Then it says, "Hello, John Kennedy. We just wanted to remind you about available products and services. If you haven't subscribed yet, so let's check the other emails we had there. So the other emails we had there was what? Car Favor, right? So let's check Car Favor. Yes, so here is it. So A, Donald Trump, because Car Favor is Donald Trump, all right? So I use that on purpose. So A, Donald Trump, we just wanted to remind you, story goes. The last one is this, Barack Obama. So we're gonna look for Barack Obama over here. Okay, primary. Yeah, so it says, "Hello, Barack Obama," this and that. Now, I just want to show us what we mean by, let's quickly go back. Now, I want to show us, let's say I have subscribed here. Let's say I put subscribe here, and then I put nothing here as well, right? Then I'm going to run it. Now, when I run it, this one is not going to run because there's nothing there. It has to be subscribed or not subscribed. Why this one is not going to run? Because it's already subscribed. So it's only Barack Obama that will go out. All right. So let's just do it again. Then let me just save it. Okay, it's saved already. So I run it again. And then when I run it again, it's going to say execution completed. Then I go over to first one is what John Kennedy choosing a favor. All right. So this I just want to show you the email. So this choosing a favor. You can see it didn't come true, right? It didn't come true. Then the second one is Donald Trump Car Favor is not supposed to come true because there's no subscribe or not subscribe there. So we're just gonna go over this Car Favor. Yes, it didn't come true. This was the last message we opened already. So Barack Obama is gonna go through because that's not subscribed there. So we're gonna go over to Barack Obama, and good, Barack Obama came through. Look at the times. I just passed the minute now, so Barack Obama came through and all of that. So with this, you begin to it automatically sends them emails every week until they subscribe. But you have to manually update either subscribe or not when they actually subscribe. All right. So if you want to learn more tricks, you just subscribe to this channel and we'll bring more to you. Have a great day.